Okay, so here it is, the second night of feeding, and I sort of made a mistake in the previous video. I said that I feed 2 nights and the third night I bake. No, the third morning, the morning of the third day I bake. So tomorrow morning I will be baking, and here's the starter that I fed last night. It's quite bubbly. It was even more bubbly earlier in the day. Here's my second jar. I take it and I put it on my scale, and I put it on the unit that I want it, which is ounces. And
tare.
I put it on tare so that I can add, according to my formula, my 4.5 ounces of starter. So I pour it in from last night's starter. A teeny bit more. Okay, it's a little bit more. It's 4.6. It doesn't really matter. And then I add 14 ounces of water, and I put it on tare again, which is to get it to 0 so that I can see what I have. 3.5 cups of water, which is, 1 3/4 cups of water, which is 14 ounces. So I pour. I try to use filtered water. If you don't have it, no worries, but we happen to have it on our faucet. And it happens to be exactly 1 3/4 cups of water. Then I add my, which I've already measured, 9.75 ounces of flour, and I just add it in. Again. I forgot to do tare, but I know that this is 9.75. Put it all in. And this is what's going to be used tomorrow. And there's another video coming up for the first day of mixing. So there's the second night, and it's going to take all night to bubble up. Now, I've got all of this left over, so what I like to do is just pour it into, remember I had some left from the night before, I just pour it in again and put it back in the fridge. And this is going, I think I need 12 ounces. This is going to be used for my dog cookies or whatever. I put that away. This is going to be washed, and I just want to tell you that you got to wash it pretty quickly because it's like cement once it dries. So I wash that and put the top on this. And the reason I use such big, tall jars is because it does rise up pretty substantially, and I have used this size and it has overflowed. But this is the size that people use just to store their starter until they're ready to bake again. So that's it. Very simple, and tomorrow we bake. That's it. Jarrett, you don't